Okay, so previously we added the relevant code that would actually set up our driver object and open the browser window. So now what we need to do is we need to close our browser window once all our steps have completed, because we know the following code gets executed before any of our steps. So now we need to add the relevant code that will close our actual browser window once all the steps have completed. So now what we're going to do is underneath the before tag, we're going to use the @ symbol again, but this time we're going to use the cucumber after hook. And we need to import the relevant package, which is Cucumber API Java. Now we're going to provide our actual method with a name. So let's say public void, and let's call it teardown. And inside this method, we first of all gonna add the relevant code which will delete all cookies. So first of all, we need to go this.driver.manage.delete all cookies. Secondly, we need to actually close the browser window. So what we need to do is go this.driver.quit. And then finally, what we need to do is set our browser variable back to null. Save the class. Let's just execute our feature file to make sure that the browser window closes. So we go run as, run configurations. We've already pointed to the correct actual location of the feature file. So I'm just going to click run. Okay, so the browser window's opened, and as you're just seeing there, the browser window actually closed. So what we could do is, that is very quick, so let me just slow that down a little bit. I'm just going to add a thread.sleep. Let's make it freeze for 3 seconds. I need to throw the actual exception. So let's just run that one more time so you guys get a better picture of how it works. So in turn, our actual browser window is going to open, it's going to maximize. And now we wait 3 seconds and the browser window closed. So what we've did is we ran the following code that actually opens our browser window. We executed the following steps because you can see the output here. And finally, our browser window was successfully closed by adding the actual following code inside our steps class.